What if we could secure digital money without burning mountains of electricity? After Bitcoin's proof of work system made headlines for its energy use, a new wave of smarter, greener, and faster systems emerged. Let's explore how proof of stake and other consensus models are completely changing the crypto world. You're watching Factsralogy, where curiosity meets reality. And just a quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. So what does consensus even mean in the world of crypto? In simple terms, it's about agreement. It's the method thousands of computers scattered all around the globe use to decide which digital transactions are real and which aren't. Bitcoin famously uses proof of work, where miners compete to solve complex mathematical puzzles using immense computing power and electricity in the process. The winner gets to add the next block of transactions to the chain. But what if, instead of spending all that energy, you could prove your honesty in a different way? This is where the greener revolution begins. Enter proof of stake. In a proof of stake system, there are no miners. Instead, we have validators. These are people who lock up or stake a certain amount of their own coins to help secure the network. The more coins you stake, the higher your chance of being chosen to validate the next block and earn a reward. Think of it like earning trust by showing you have skin in the game. If you try to cheat the system, you risk losing your entire staked amount. This clever incentive system means no powerful, energy-guzzling computers are needed, just honest participation. This approach uses up to 99% less energy than mining, which is a huge deal. It's the very reason why Ethereum, one of the largest cryptocurrencies, made its historic switch to proof of stake in 2022, an event they called the merge. But the innovation didn't stop there. Then came delegated proof of stake, or DOS, a model used by networks like EOS and Tron. Here, the system becomes more like a digital democracy. Instead of everyone having a chance to be a validator, coin holders vote for a small select group of trusted validators to run the network on their behalf. It's like choosing class representatives to maintain order. This makes the network much faster and more efficient, as decisions are made by a smaller dedicated group. The trade-off? It's slightly more centralized since fewer people are in control. Think of it as a republic with elected leaders highly efficient, but you're placing your trust in fewer hands. Taking a completely different approach is proof of authority, or PoA. This model is often used in private or enterprise blockchains where speed and control are paramount. Instead of miners or stakers, a set of pre-approved, reputable entities like trusted organizations or corporations are given the authority to validate transactions. Their real-world reputation is on the line, which is the incentive to act honestly. PoA is incredibly fast, predictable, and perfect for applications like supply chain management or internal government systems. However, it relies heavily on the reputation of these authorities and is far less decentralized and open than the other models. So let's break it down with an analogy. If proof of work is a massive open competition where anyone can join, and proof of stake is a financial commitment where you put your money where your mouth is, then proof of authority is like a trusted board of directors signing off on every major decision. As you can see, each method makes different trade-offs, balancing security, speed, and decentralization. Proof of work is arguably the most secure and battle-tested, but it uses the most energy. Proof of stake is highly energy efficient and decentralized, but can be a bit more complex under the hood. Delegated proof of stake is super fast and scalable, but at the cost of having fewer validators, and proof of authority is extremely fast and controlled, but it's not as open or trustless as the others. There is no single perfect system, only different tools for different jobs. Today, the world of blockchain is evolving faster than ever. We're seeing new projects that mix proof of work with proof of stake, creating hybrid systems that aim to get the best of both worlds. Others are experimenting with entirely new consensus models, some even incorporating AI. But the ultimate goal remains the same: to keep the world's digital ledger secure, fast, and fair for everyone who uses it. From burning energy to staking trust, the way we agree on digital truth keeps reinventing itself, and proof of stake stands at the forefront of that movement, proving there's a greener, more efficient way to reach consensus. Thanks for watching Factsralogy, where curiosity meets reality. If you learned something new, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an episode. See you next time.